Welcome, check mic 1, 2, check mic. This is AK. Welcome to Carter's video. I'm gonna do the intro because I don't feel like doing it and sending it to him. So, we're playing Species Incorporation, also known as Animal Company, on VR. I have a Gyat. Look at it shake. That's about it. Let's get right into it. What are you going for?
There's something you can actually do to get like a lot of money in this game.
Can you?
Yeah, if you just go on that machine.
Dude, this is like my first time.
Yeah, if you go on that machine and
Okay.
press in a certain order, then yeah,
Dude, it echoes in here.
it does.
Wait, what's that button? What are you doing? Stop. I don't trust it.
Don't worry, you'll be safe. All right, stand
Where
back.
can I
son. gotta
purchase
type in the code.
stick?
1.
Is there any other place besides the lava area and the other areas I don't know about?
We should go over there.
Let's go to the lava. Let's go do lava one.
Yes.
I have to say I do not have a flash. I do not have a backpack.
Me neither. We should I'm gonna probably go buy that stuff.
I'm not bringing one. Nor do I.
AK, where are you?
I started going in.
I dropped my flashlight in the lava.
You are an idiot.
Alright, start for our first expedition.
First expedition.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright. No way. Well, yes. Way. Bruh.
No, 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 no. Don't touch that. Stop touching the lava.
But it feels good.
No. Ow.
Okay, if I do touch it one more time, I do die.
Yeah, so stop.
But it feels so good.
Alright, we have to find the thing. You know, we have
No,
to look
the
for
thing to the
others.
left. Come back here. Come back here. We can go to the left. Come back to where I am. Where are you going?
It just leads this way.
I'm being very careful right now. Oh yay! What is this?
Let's go back here. Because we didn't get to go back here last time. That's not cool. Let's be careful. I guess.
It makes sounds. Okay.
We found one of these things.
Hey,
What
get
is
behind
it?
you. Behind you, okay. Come on.
What is that little plant
Wait,
thing?
do we have to go to the spider?
Wait, maybe we have to find pickaxes and mine these. So maybe there's a way out to the pipe. We don't have to go that way. Just to let you know.
It's just no. We don't have to go over there.
So you can kill stuff.
Digging and digging.
Right there, right there, right here, right here, right here.
That the blue.
Yes, right here.
AK, are you alive?
Yeah, it took your body and now it's...
Dude! I'm gonna sell this cheddar for some cheddar. Ah!
Look, a flashlight. We can sell this.
We can sell a lot of this for money.
No, bananas are for food.
We can sell it too.
I've been around here. There's stuff over here. That's a monster.
He's rapidly approaching us.
Should we fight him?
Use your stick! If you actually die while doing this, dude.
Take my bag.
Alright, AK. It's all on you. I'll keep your bag safe. Go, go, go!
Come on! Fight me! Fight me!
I think I have to run up to him and yeah. Give him a little whack in the head with a stick.
Wait, are you following me?
AK, I have a shield. Wait, wait. AK, look what I can do with this. Wait, what are you doing? Is he even alive? There's no... Frick, dude. Poke stick.
Carter, come with me.
AK,
Grab this VR
AK,
headset.
no. AK, watch. My body becomes limp. You can hit me like a piñata. That's what it's doing to you while you're in that state. What is this place?
Alright, everybody. I can't close out of my animal company.
Check radio. Check.
Check. You hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you.
This is what we're gonna want to break right here. Come see. Come back. Right
I'm
here.
good. Oh, those. Let's break that.
These, yes. Okay, but they have to be purple. For them to be research points. Alright, so let's go look for purple. Where you at? Where'd you go?
Well, I had to grab my stick from my backpack.
Okay, but we have to look for those, but... Those that we're looking for have to be purple, by the way. I want to see if it works. Give me your stick. Hit the purple one.
It worked.
Did you get a research point? Can I have your stick?
I didn't get a research point. Hold on, let me try again.
One over here. Come on. There's one over here.
It broke. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. It's a very explosive video and I really hope you guys have a really great day.
What's going on?